everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to another vlog. Today in my college lots of things are going on and that's why I'm dressed up so well. So let's take you there. Hello internet. Hashtag vloggers life. Behind my back. Behind my back. Behind my back. I don't know why they are standing like this. The cute kid. So as it's denim day in my college and all the people are wearing denim, as you can see, they're clicking photos. And what my gang is doing, they're dancing over here. Yeah. So I hope you're enjoying this vlog and you might not get bored. So yeah, that's about it. I'll just it's quite, oh man, it's really, I'll just wear my sheets. Yeah. Okay, so the plan of action of this vlog is that I'll be shooting, as I said earlier, that in my college days are going on, denim day, black and white day, tie day, sari day, traditional day, all sorts of days are going on, and I'll be covering all, if possible I cover all the days, but then I have this different thought in my mind that I'll be shooting, I'll try to shoot most of the days because you know, a lot of during this November, December, lots of days, events, fest, lots of things are going on, and it's really nice to have in that atmosphere, and these are all making musicals and rest are all anyways. So I'll try to shoot as many days if possible, because there are like 6 days, I suppose. Yeah, 6 days, because I'll just show you a list over right now. So this is the day you can see. Yeah. So there is denim day, that is denim day today, and there is tomorrow is 19th of December 2017, that is formals day, and formals day, sari day, group alike day, black and white day, traditional day. So there are around 6 days which I might shoot, or and yeah, it will be a great vlog. I hope you will enjoy this vlog, right? I hope you do. I'm noticing one thing here, that while I'm shooting inside the college atmosphere or wherever inside college, people are giving me very weird look. Now it's normal that they'll give you a weird look because you're holding this setup, and you won't see any normal guy vlogging on the street, so they might give you a weird stare. So it kind of brings my confidence level down, but then I'm trying not to take the camera down, because a vlogger has to vlog and he must not get secure about people thinking about him. So that's what I'm trying to do. Yeah. Stuff people do. So what I'm doing right here is, now I just released my Q&A video. I hope you must have seen the video, and I'm just forwarding it to the people who haven't received, because many of our friends have said that I haven't got it, and so I'm just working on that. And with me, everyone is here. Like Karan is there, Yash is there, Adarsh is there. Only two people are missing. That is Sneha and Kavya, right?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Well,
Priorities changed for some reasons.
yeah, I hope I'll get to see them tomorrow because this. So yeah, I'll just. I might end this video right here. So if you are wondering where I am at the gym to work out, and so this is a place where I usually work out and with all my equipment. So I'll take you there. And so I've एक second, गाड़ी park. Cool, yeah. So I've been going to this gym since like for the past couple of 2 years, I suppose, yeah. And working out in my life is very important because I really give importance to my health, fitness. For some obvious reason, I'm not allowed to shoot inside the gym, so I'm sorry I couldn't show you the footages where I work out. So sorry about that. Don't mind. So I'm back from my workout, pretty pumped up, and I was not allowed to shoot inside the gym because they had the security reasons. And एक बात मैंने notice की कि मैंने बोला कि I have a channel on YouTube, so I shoot. So there was a smile on this peon's face that YouTube पर channel है. So I was like हाँ YouTube पर channel है, मैं ये vlog करता हूँ YouTube पर. So they were like you have to take prior permissions to shoot, and so I've got the card, so I'll talk to the manager and I'll take the permission. So this time I won't be able to show you my gym inside the gym, probably next time. I know it's kind of embarrassing that मैं बोला कि I'll show you the gym, and then they were like but then they also have their security reasons that you're not allowed to shoot inside, but then it's okay, better luck next time. It's day 2 and it's formals, so I'll be changing formals. Yeah, so this is going to be my formal look for the day. I opted out for this shirt, but then later I found out that I have this awesome Chinese collared t-shirt shirt, and yeah, mention down in the comment section below how am I looking. Please give a like for this video. So I've reached college already, and as you can see that everyone is busy taking pictures. Even this gang is busy taking pictures, and I'm already in formal. So yeah, everyone is wearing formals today. Well, not everyone. Some might wear. It's upon their choices. Where were you yesterday?
Naturopathy class.
I'm sorry I asked. क्या मच्छर?
So I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
The camera is rolling there.
एकदम मारने
So she's back, and
मेरे को मिस कर रहे थे क्या?
I said earlier, lectures are going on.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
These are the list of events which are going to take place on 21st of December. and I will be participating in that one. Mr. and Miss Versatile Chemistry 12 noon. So still 2 days to go. Let's see what it has to offer. So it's day 3 and it's a tie day in my college, and I hope I did a good job in wearing tie. I hope it looks nice, and if any changes are to be made, I'll do it in college. Okay, now like an idiot, I dropped my tie. The crowd inside the IT building was so damn high that I was not able to wear this tie. So that is the reason I came in the washroom and like an idiot, I dropped my tie. And now it's kind of wet, so I can't wear this tie. It has really pissed me off. Everyone outside there is wearing tie, and me, I'm like just. No, I'm just explaining them. So we all have come here to eat. Long story short, so sorry, मैंने सुना नहीं मैंने. My friend was asking me, you have a charger? I said veg fried rice. I don't know why. I didn't hear what she said. So anyways, so we have come here to eat, and we all were hungry as we clicked a lot of pictures, and still more to go, and it's really hot outside. So I just woke up, and the first thing I did is that I just came home, I changed my clothes and directly went to sleep. पूरा चद्दर ओढ़ के पूरा सो गया मैं, and the time right now is 6:53. I woke up at 6 o'clock and just transferring the files and footages. I really enjoyed a lot in today's day. Today is what Sari and tie day, but then the mess that happened. My tie. Oh my god. I'm still pissed off. Enjoying my tea now. Day 4, group alike day. Let's go.
लोग क्या सोचते हैं?
Reached college already. And back again. So let me introduce to this guy. Introduce yourself.
Yes, I'm Satyam Kasodia and I have a channel named Still 17.
How much subscribers do you have?
I have about 48 subscribers right now and I'm increasing.
He has just started his channel.
पूछे किसी क्वेश्चन?
क्या तू अनजान लोगों से पूछेगा?
हाँ, अनजान लोगों से कि उनको क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस है और उनको क्या करना,
किस बात
मतलब
का
लोग क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि वो वीडियो में क्या देखना चाहते हैं.
ओके, ठीक है, पूछ सकता है तू.
हाँ, मैं अच्छा पहना ना.
Yeah, cool. You were supposed to wear black.
Yeah, it's blue ना.
Black बोला मैंने.
हाँ, मैं black पहनना चाहता था, but I don't have black. By the way, she is Purvi and she is Akshita.
तो अभिषेक.
Abhishek. Subscribe to his channel.
ठीक है, फिर बाद में तेरा नहीं करेगी.
बोलती है?
अरे what? अरे मैं वहाँ खड़ी थी.
See, that's the Pizza Hut, and she said me that she's in the Pizza Hut, and she's here.
अरे मैं वहीं खड़ी थी. मैं चल चल के आगे आगे हूँ.
चलो,
हाँ, सब.
यहाँ पे. सत्यम वहाँ पे.
जगह निकाल दिया इन्होंने. वो ऑटो में जान रही कौन है.
मैं कब से वहाँ ढूंढ रहा हूँ. एक तो मेरे को हाँ, मैं बोला है किधर ये बंदी.
और ये लोग कहाँ हैं?
ये यहाँ पे. ये लोग वहाँ पे चले गए, पता नहीं कहाँ पे.
क्या बोलेगा? ये यहाँ पर भी कंपनी
अभिषेक.
हाँ. I don't know why they
क्या बोलना
are
चाहिए मेरे को ये बता.
irritating us by whistling all the time, and they are eradicating from this place from everywhere.
क्या मेरे को भी बता.
So we have came in the classroom to we all were hungry, so we ate something. सत्यम ने पिज़्ज़ा लिया था. ज़्यादा कुछ देखने को है नहीं कॉलेज में, बिकॉज सब लोग ने ग्रुप अलाइक डे के नाम पे क्या क्या पहन के रखा है. क्या पहन के रखा है ग्रुप अलाइक डे के नाम पे. मेरा यही कहना है कि पीपल हैव वोर वॉट दे आर लाइकिंग, वो भी ग्रुप अलाइक डे के नाम पे. नाउ सम हैव इवन वोर ट्रेडिशनल एंड सम हैव वोर सेमी ट्रेडिशनल. बहुत अलग अलग टाइप के कपड़े पहने लोगों ने. ओह बॉय. But then some people are really following it. Some people have wore a white T-shirt and they have written to Tera Dekh, and so people have wore black T-shirt and they have written to Mera Yaar something. They have written on the T-shirt, so that is common. And so this is what Group Alike Day means. Like people not just wear same color T-shirt, but then they wear ideas on the T-shirt. So yeah, it's good to see them. Sneha, and they are the other people. Yeah. So I hope I'm clear on my point. Oh. So yeah, we're enjoying. We're just clicking pics. And Karan तो चला गया है. बाकी के लोग भी चले गए. Sumit, Yash and all. So yeah, we'll just click pictures now. So ज़्यादा कुछ दिखाने को है नहीं. I'll just end the video here. Not the vlog, but then अभी 2-3 और बाकी है. Black and white and traditional day. So yeah. So it's day 4 and it's black and white day today. Well, to be honest, most of people have wore black and white today. Some have wore traditional. I don't know why. Tomorrow is a traditional day. भाई कैमरा चालू तो गॉगल पहन लिया भाई ने.
अरे क्या करूँ यार, मेरा एक्चुअल में ना ऐसा वीडियो थोड़ा क्लियर नहीं आता है. काइंड ऑफ.
Okay, so he's gonna be busy. So
Yeah.
ज़्यादा भीड़ नहीं है कॉलेज में. I don't know why, because the weather is also kind of, you can see
मतलब मेरी गाड़ी. अरे मैं
the weather is changing, flexing between. Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's warm. It's about to rain, I guess, and let's see what happens.
बाद में.
That's the library of my college, and so this is the way to entrance, and basically you can enter from anywhere to if you have to come to the library.
Of things we know.
I hope you like the performance of the beatboxers. So that's the entrance of boys and girls, as you can see. I don't know why they have created this. Is it a movie or a mall?
Pikachu. Pikachu?
Just look at the crowd.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town.
So in my college every year there is a competition held as Mr. and Miss Birla. So that is what I'm enjoying right now, and everyone is practicing. It looks like it is going on like a fashion show, but then basically it's a competition for Mr. and Miss Birla. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now.
By step, the clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight.
Anyways, never mind. I am in the main building right now, and as I've said, Mr. and Miss Birla competition is going on.
Just a second, ma'am.
So I'm at the backstage of my college's main ground. So this is a stage basically. So this is a stage, and curtains are installed because the show is about not today. The show will be tomorrow. That is today. The time is, so it's 4:24 right now, and today is 22nd December, and tomorrow is 23rd December, and the show will begin at 11 a.m. I suppose. Yeah, the show will begin at 11 a.m. and let's see what are the people of fashion show doing. Let's sneak peek.
That means you both are aunties. We can call you aunties.
Mature girls, not aunties.
Like we are from Tiva.
Because we are from Tiva, that's the reason he's calling us aunties.
Yeah.
We are mature girls.
We lose our sight, put our trust in.
So I've reached home. ज़्यादा कुछ दिखाने को था नहीं because you've already seen much of the footages of Brilotsav, and this thing happens every year in my college because every college has their own festival. So even my college has this festival called Brilotsav, which you already have seen, and it's very good to see everyone's coordination and the way they all were performing, the way they are practicing. And sadly there's a bad news for you all that I might not shoot tomorrow because tomorrow is the last day of the Days Day, and tomorrow also is a Brilotsav main event which is going to be start at I guess 8 am. Yeah, 8 am. So I won't be able to shoot because I'm going to Pune because I have some work, so I won't be able to go. So sadly I have to end this video here. अगर यहाँ तक देख लिया है तो please एक like मार देना. I have really worked a lot. I have vlogged in front of people. It's not an easy task to vlog in front of people who are staring at you, and it really needs guts to vlog. Trust me on that note, guys. I vlog only for you all, for all my subscribers. I really love you all from the bottom of my heart, and so that is the reason. Please give maximum likes to this video, please, guys.
Vlogging has really popularized in India, especially in 2017. Trust me, it wasn't easy around like 2 years back in 2015. किसी को समझ भी नहीं आता था कि vlogging क्या है. I think there is something you guys should know is that how tough it is to vlog in our country. Public places में तो भाई जरा vlog करके देखो. So if you see any YouTubers vlogging in public place in India, please give that video a thumbs up because I'm pretty sure वो बंदा बहुत मेहनत की होगी.
So I would like to end on this note, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please, as I said, please give a big like to my video, and please mention down in the comment section below how you felt the vlog quality and the way I presented the content in front of you all. Just because of you, my all subscribers, I shot with all confidence, and so the result is in front of you right now, which you are seeing. And so I would like to thank each one of you for subscribing on my channel. So stay tuned and stay subscribed to my channel, and I'll put up awesome vlogs. Until then, bye bye, take care, stay fit, stay tuned and stay subscribed. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.